Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment. I'm on my own today, so I have to film on my phone because I went out early this morning and my cameraman was still in bed. So I'm just going to do a quick plot run through. I've got a peony here that's starting to come through. I've got another one here, and this is my top bed. All what you can see is just all like my kitchen waste and everything. I chuck it over, but I'm going to be making better use of that in the next video. I'm going to show you what I do with it. And you know, as soon as you start to get the rainy weather, that's when you see all the weeds and everything start to pop up. This is my garlic bed. Got elephant garlic, white Cristo and purple in here. I've got a fig tree there. These are my onions. You can see they're doing well. All this area here, I keep saying I'm going to be working on it, but then I always find something else to do. But that'll be cleared out soon. I want to see if I can get hold of one of those tree surgeons when they come by to drop off the mulch to chop down these two logs there. This bed is my second bed, what's ready for planting. I'm going to be putting my corn. I've put up the arches and everything, what I'm going to be putting the netting on. So I'm just doing this quickly. This is my third bed, all just ready to go. Put the hoops in, so that's ready to be planted in. This is the fourth bed, which is a long bed. You see the weeds start to come through as soon as it's rain you see the weeds. And I've got this bed is where I'm gonna be putting my peas. These are my potato buckets. You see those starting to come through now. And then my broad beans. See if I can get in closer. See them starting to flower now, which is a broad bean masterpiece. This is my fifth bed here. Got onions in here. I'm sorry if the video is jumpy today, filming it on my phone. So that's the onions there. This is my sixth bed, what's all mulched and ready to go. Just got to weed it up. The seventh bed has got the oops in it, that's ready to go. Just got to sort that out. This one I've ooped and netted where I planted some experimental lettuces and all that to see if they will grow. And the only thing what seems to be taking off now is a kale. I don't know if you can see through the netting. And then these are my plants what I've got outside the polytunnel, some lilies and some daffodils which have flowered really nice. See if I can get in closer to them so you can see nice bunches. Then as you can see with my polytunnel, these carrots have started to come through. Spinach has started to spring back up already. The thyme is starting to spread, take up the whole pot. So good thing I didn't plant it in the ground. All my pot plants, flower plants have started to come through now. My peas, pumpkins, sunflowers, everything starting to come through. This strawberry sprung back. I put in some new compost. I think that's what I need to do each time, is top it up. And then this one starting to come back and flowered. My marigolds have started to come back, and the bottom one is doing more better. This is a bit too scraggly for me, so I might have to spread them out a bit. These are my lettuces and everything what I planted from over winter, cabbages. These carrots are starting to take off now. You see from what a difference a couple of days. My dragon fruit what I just planted. Sunflowers and everything doing okay. Peas, got all these to plant out. See the carrots and everything, all these in pots ready to go out. Beetroots, everything. I don't know if I can get round there. Everything just ready to go. You see how tall my potatoes are now, just taking up space. I need to put them out. This fennel, need to get that out. Cabbages, lettuces mixed, more lettuces, Swiss chard, pumpkins there. Everything more or less. I still got some strawberries up there, so everything's more or less coming along. The potatoes are growing a lot faster than I thought they would in there. So everything's coming along. Just got to give a few things some water, and I think some of the things are getting a bit too much water. Although the polytunnel gets hot, and I'm only down here once a week, I think some things could do with a little bit less water, but we'll see how it goes. So that's all I can show you for now. I'm going back out of my polytunnel now. Got another bed here where I dumped everything, and I've got to sort out this bed when I get some time. That all that what you see is all mint. I've got to pull a lot of that out. I pulled some out on Friday. Pull some out, and you can see how much it's grown. I've got all the sides and everywhere to do, so I can get flowers. This bucket was here from last year, and you see the spinach just sprung back up on it. They're small, but I'm going to sort that out. And some carrots in that one, sort out. And then I've got my other garlic bed up here. See, they're coming along nice. Got some 4 rose bushes along there. 4 or 5, can't remember. Could be 5 rose bushes. Going to be putting some more in. Got a rhododendron over there. It just needs weeding up so you can see things. This bed here was for herbs and that, but the rhubarb smothered it and then took over, and that's my rhubarb coming up now, and then it's coming up at the corner, so it's actually found a way to get through to the other side. But that's how it goes. Everything more or less just waiting to sort out now. And then this is my next purchase. Thanks for your contributions and everything. I managed to get 2 of these barrels. The next video I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing with them, so watch that video and you'll see what I'm going to be doing with these two. They're filled with water already. I filled them so that nobody couldn't walk off with them, so they're pretty stable. So sorry about the video quality, it's just me at the moment. I don't really like filming on the phone, but you know, sometimes you've got to do it just to show you a bit of content. The magnolia's yellowing up, so I need to put some fertilizer in that and everything. So we're getting there slowly. It started raining again. You see all the grass has gone orange all around. All the grass has gone orange on which makes it I don't have to do much trimming now, just have to keep an eye on it and, you know, work with it. I might put down some matting and put mulching, but I'll see how it goes as we go on the season. So remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you on them. So thanks for watching. That's how my plot is, my polytunnel. Oh yeah, I still got this shed I built. This shed's been through storm after storm and it's still standing. I made sure when I built it, I glued all the framework together with the glue cement, and I made sure when I put the cover on, I anchored it down into the ground. So it's gone through quite a few storms and it's still standing. So that's everything. So you take care and I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.